Hello everyone, sixth day of preparedness today. And what the sixth chapter of Be Prepared, Not Scared is all about is about preparing our homes. Now, I love this time of year. One of the favorite parts of this time of year for me is being at home with my family and really just spending time doing the things I love, which is cooking and eating and sharing and playing games together and those kinds of things. So we have a little bit of an opportunity in the next week and a half to look around our homes and say, all right, is this home someplace that I could shelter in place in? Is this someplace that I could go to and spend a couple of months? Would we be safe? What if we did need to truly shelter in place and create what's called a safe room that blocks off, things from coming into the room and that sort of thing? Would you know how to do that? Would you be prepared to do something like that? If an emergency were to happen, like an earthquake that would break water lines and perhaps put power out, would you know how to turn off the utilities to your home? That's what chapter 6 is all about. It's about knowing how to take care of your home so that it's a safe place for you during an emergency. So I want you to think about those kinds of questions while you're home over the next little while for the holiday. What are things that you need to do to make this home of yours safe? And it might be just thinking about where would we go in an emergency in our home? It's in the middle of the winter. How would we block things off to be able to just live out of one room, preserve the heat, those kinds of things. So make sure that you join me on December 30th. We're excited to do the book launch event. I'm going to share with you a lot of behind the scenes information about the book, and I'm going to announce a really exciting program for the coming year and how that's going to work. We're going to have some giveaways, all kinds of things. So make sure that you join us on that day. And before then, buy the book. It's on Amazon right now. It's actually the #1 bestseller, a new release right now in our category. We're really excited about that. Buy the book. It won't arrive by Christmas, but it'll arrive shortly after so that you'll be able to hit the ground running for our December 30th event, but also in January. So I hope that you join us for both of those things. Have a wonderful Christmas, and I am excited to be able to share these things so that in January we can get prepared together. Thank you all.